Great! I found a lighter. This light is still hot, as if it was used minutes ago.
Do you think someone might have been here?
Everything is possible, Otto. We need to find Dr. Hartman.
I will try. Dr. Hartman!
Anna, what is the trouble?
Ulla is dead.
Mein Gott.
Where have you been?
I was exploring the premises.
Have you been to Ulla's room recently?
In a wheelchair? Is this some kind of joke?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean...
How did she die?
We don't know. Claudia says it may be another heart attack.
A heart attack, yes, that sounds correct.
What do you mean?
Never mind. If you have no more questions, then I would like to return to my book. Please excuse me.
Anna, come and have some tea near the fireplace.
On my way! Where is everyone?
It's late.
While we are alone, I want to discuss something with the two of you.
Yes?
I have been running this hotel for 25 years. I have never seen two people dying. And in 2 days. And 2 heart attacks. This is just impossible.
I agree with you, Otto. It's very unusual to say the least.
Do you believe it is possible to simulate a heart attack?
I believe it's quite possible, yes.
And who would be able to do so?
Someone with medical experience?
Exactly. Now, 2 people were missing at dinner this evening. Ulla and Dr. Hartman. We found Ulla dead in her room.
Did you find Dr. Hartman?
Yes, I did. And he acted odd. He asked me what happened to Ulla. And when I informed him of her heart attack, he murmured, "That sounds correct."
I think he is somehow involved in all of this.
I agree. But what should we do?
I have an idea. If Ulla's heart attack was brought on, then we will probably find something in her room to prove it.
We should also examine her body.
Let's go then, shall we?
Yes, we'll need a magnifying glass. Do you have one, Otto?
Oh yes, it should be somewhere in the kitchen. Anna, can you go and find it? We will wait for you in Ulla's room.
I found a magnifying glass. I found it.
Great! Look here. Check Ulla's neck.
I think someone injected her.
Please, let me.
See?
She was definitely killed. I'm sure about it.
By the way, do you see that liquid on the floor?
Yes?
Judging by the smell, I would guess it is some kind of acid. We need to pour some baking soda on it. You can find soda in the kitchen.
Great! I found some baking soda.
What did I tell you? This is acid. I am sure it was somehow used to kill poor Ulla.
And Professor Kinski? Do you think he was killed as well?
That's a good question, Anna.
I think we should go and examine his body.
Anna, come and see. There are marks on Professor Kinski's neck also.
These marks.
Yes, Anna. These are the same marks we found on Ulla. Professor Kinski has also been murdered.
But why?
That is something we must find out. Let's inspect his luggage. I can't open it. It has a strange lock.
Let me try.